Do you struggle when trying to fill up a Ziploc bag? Lucky for you, we have just the solution.
This right here is genius. You know what? It's super simple, but it make your life so much better. But check it out. Now we just finna go ahead and put it here. Bring it over here to this side, right? And then you just open this up like this. And check that out, folks. Super simple. This right here, man, this right here is fire, folks. So let's go ahead and just put our ingredients in the bag, right? So I'll start with my W sauce.
Now, I could just put the chicken in here and then dump all the marinade in, but our friend Jack sent in this little Zip Quick thing that it took me a minute to figure out. You ready? Check this out. Apparently he saw me struggling one day. Not sponsored, by the way, at all. Open the bag, you put the edges over. Maybe it's a two-person thing. No, it's meant to be a one-person thing. Now look. Now you see what I've got? Now I've got a stand for this. So we'll take this. Oh, this is actually quite genius. My liquid marinade goes in, and now my chicken thighs. I've got almost 1.5 pounds here.